I got 15K views on that. And then moving on into the subscribers, 59 subscribers, really, off of just telling somebody or telling the crowd and audience that some food looks good. Yo, y'all gotta do just at home right now. And I wanted to get on YouTube as I cook me some breakfast food in the damn afternoon, essentially, or headed towards the evening. But yeah, man, YouTube's been on my mind. I've been doing a lot of live streaming on YouTube, but I'm getting ready to start doing a live stream on Twitch as well. I just got to make sure I'm doing it right. I don't want to, fuck up my stream and have it looking crazy. So I'm definitely gonna get on Twitch, because as much as I stream regularly on YouTube, I should definitely have a Twitch account to stream on as well. But I don't want to talk too much about that. I want to talk about growing on YouTube. I know that's a lot of people's angle right now. And I figured out the sauce. Guys. So here are a couple tips that I can give to people to grow their YouTube. You gotta post good shorts. Post good shorts. And by you keep them a minute, I think your best bet is to remix some shorts that are already on YouTube. When I take up my short form content from Instagram and post it on YouTube, it does good sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. But playing around with this shit, I noticed when you remix a video on YouTube from the YouTube platform using YouTube's tools to remix the video and do a green screen using what they have, the video tends to do way better, right? So let's just say if you were like a content creator just now starting out and you wanted to get on YouTube, and you're like, hey man, I hear it's easy money on YouTube, let me get on here and make something right quick. This is what I would do if I was you. I would, of course, use comedy as one of the roads to the destination. You know what I'm saying? Use comedy. So whatever's coming out, whatever's trending, or if you see something cool as hell that you're just really interested in, and you see that it has a decent amount of people that are interested in it too, just remix a reel. Do a little green screen background video and get that video up on your YouTube channel, and just kind of do like 5 of those every other day, or 5, or break it up so you can do like 2 a day or something like that. It's real easy to do this shit, But let me tell you, I went from having like 1,000 subscribers to having 2,000 just off shorts alone, bro. Over the years, over a couple years of time. But I'm not as consistent with the shorts as I used to be. I'm gonna get back consistent with it. It's just some weird shit happened with my phone. I guess they stopped offering me the chance to remix my reels, because my girlfriend at the time, she gave me a flip phone, like some type of new age flip phone, and I could no longer do my reel remixes. So that kind of fucked up my little system I had going, and it kind of threw me off. But remix YouTube shorts. What else can you do? And make, of course, when you're filling out the data and the information that people are going to see in order to click on the video, like the title and the description, I don't even post a description. I don't even put descriptions on the YouTube short. I just put a short, decent title, one that's going to lure people in, and I put a couple hashtags. See, showing the parts where you clean up. Now that was a little remix video I wanted to show you of how I do them. I just keep it simple, and lo and behold, it's a great outcome. And as you can see, I also put for my title, would you try this? Just to give people a reason to increase their interaction with my posts. It's essential.
Also, I wanted to show you guys just a little proof, a little more analytics. Like within 2 weeks, I got 15K views on that. And then moving on into the subscribers, 59 subscribers, really, off of just telling somebody or telling the crowd and audience that some food looks good. Yo, y'all gotta do some YouTube shorts.
Like if I was doing a funny Kevin Hart video, I'd be like, I can't believe he just said that. Hashtag Kevin Hart, hashtag comedy. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. And just choose a good thumbnail for it. You don't even have to create your own thumbnail. Just make sure whatever part of the video you want to be the thumbnail, it's actually something that looks clickable. Just that's that simple. And you should have a pretty well received YouTube short. Because like I'm trying to tell you, man, like I would take an Instagram reel and post it on YouTube Shorts. And then I'll look at the views. I usually get capped out at 1,000 or lower. And then when I actually remix on the YouTube platform, I get 15,000, 10,000, like off the rip. So just make sure y'all paying attention to that, man. Like you can bring your content over from other platforms, but just try to use YouTube's platform. What else? I would say, well, a couple of things about using YouTube Shorts and putting them up there. They give you the most subscribers, bro. Like just posting your regular content is cool. You might get some subscribers off of that. But I'm trying to tell you, the shortcut to getting your 1,000 subscribers quick is YouTube Shorts, bro. You will get a busload of subscribers if you just post really good reels, man. Just post them like you already, like you know what you're talking about. Like if you're watching somebody cook some meals, like, wow, that looks good, I would try that. Try to have a couple funny jokes or something, or just remain interested. Like, that looks really good, I would try that. You know what I'm saying? When you're doing your little background stuff. I'm trying to tell you, people love that. They love that shit. They will fall in love with you, and they will sub your fucking channel quick. You'll get like 30 subscribers in a day with a good ass reel. On an average day. On a better day, you might get like 100 to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, you just got to be consistent with it and just know what you're doing. Know what you're doing. Practice with it. You know what I'm saying? That's the number one way to get subscribers is through YouTube Reels. I swear. Now, when we're talking about watch time, that was my biggest gripe. It was my biggest gripe. And honestly, many years ago, I had got all of that stuff. I had got the subscribers and I got the watch time up, but I lost it because I had did something stupid, which I don't really want to delve into too deep. But I did something very stupid with my YouTube and my Google Ads account, and they took away my ability to earn money off of YouTube up until recently. And then I figured out that, okay, I got to start over. So luckily I already had videos up there racking up some watch time, but it just wasn't enough. Still not enough. As you can see, I'm still fighting for my watch time to come back. So I only have like 2,000 hours worth of watch time that I need. Maybe a little over 2,000 watch hours. But the way to defeat that and the way to get your watch hours up and complete it is by doing live streams, bro. Or just creating really good content that people will stick to and stay on. It's really difficult to come up with some really good shit, but the best thing that I can think of, like strategy-wise, whatever's trending, man, just do a live stream with that in the background using a system or a platform like OBS, and people will tune in like randomly. They'll just randomly tune in. I'm not saying that it's a promise for them that they'll tune in, but for the most part, I at least have about anywhere between 5 to 10 people show up to a live, an interesting live anyway. One that is trending, one that is on the boards right now and it has eyes on it. Like lately, I've been doing a lot of funny content. So I'll watch something like Could Have Been Records or Could Have Been Love or, you know, Jack Funny 313, which I haven't done yet, but I've been thinking about doing that. Just a reaction of the whole episode or two, just to see who shows up in the room and see who comments, see who will chat with me, see who will subscribe me, see who will talk to me, and I'll go from there. And honestly, that has been working very, very, very much. I've gotten over 1,000 watch hours just by doing that. Over 1,000, guaranteed. So, you know, it just kind of takes a while to show up and show you that you've got it. But I definitely got over 1,000 watch hours because I just started streaming probably like the end of last month. Maybe the end, I would say the end of December. And I wasn't so sure about it going into January. So I did a bunch in January. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just take my foot off the gas for a second. And then I jumped back in full-fledged in February. That's where we are now. So it's been pretty good. Like I said, I mean, I have some lives where no people show up at all, but I still keep going. I'm talking to myself for a whole hour, watching that video in the background. You know what I'm saying? And then later I come look at the video, people find the material once it's posted already. And then they'll start watching it. So it's like, okay, they may not have made it to the live, but you know, automatically your video updates or uploads to the platform so people can rewatch it if they did come to the live, or people who didn't come to the live can just go find your video. So it's like, either way you win. You know what I'm saying? It's a win-win. You get watch time from the actual streaming when people show up, and you get watch time when people watch it later. And it just all adds up, bro. So it's a fun opportunity. It's a fun time to see your watch time go up. It's a fun time to see your subscribers go up. It's a fun time to actually be talking about something interesting enough for people to comment and give you a little bit of commentary, chat with you, and, you know, keep the room alive. Like, it's fun, bro. I love streaming. It's like a newfound hobby, a newfound passion that I have, really. But I don't think I can call it a passion yet until I jump on Twitch. When I jump on Twitch, then I can officially call this a passion, because I think Twitch is the place where a lot of people go to stream. So in case you wanted to know what I was cooking, you know, you want to be a little nosy, I got some sausages right here. They're a little dark, you know what I'm talking about? And then I got some goddamn toast, and I would make me some eggs too, you feel me? So yeah, that's just a little random what I'm doing over here while I'm talking to y'all. So yeah, the number one thing I said to do was create YouTube shorts. Create good YouTube shorts and use the YouTube platform in order to have a better result. Even though you can, like I said, you can pull Instagram Reels and put them on YouTube and see a great result. But I think you'll have a better outcome if you just stay on the YouTube platform and remix videos on there that you actually are interested in. You will see a way better outcome. I'm trying to tell you. I put money on that. You're going to get like 50 subscribers on your first video if you do this right. So, or your first YouTube reel or YouTube short. And secondly, I would say live streaming. Go live about things that are happening now, whether it's politics, whether it's something that's happening in your own backyard, and the city's talking, your state's talking. Look at the most popular content creators. Get their videos behind you and react to them. You know what I'm saying? Start this shit off right and get people interested in what you're talking about and what's going on. Because they don't even have to be interested in you. If you're talking about something that they're interested in, they're going to find your content and say, yeah, let me go ahead and just watch this just because. You know what I'm saying? Just because. And then they're going to tap in with you. Then they might actually fuck with you. They may actually like you. So now you building up a base of people who will actually support you whenever you go live. But yeah, man, I think those are the two biggest things that I could really say help me right now. Because I lost all interest in YouTube when they took away my ability to make money the first time. I lost all interest. I did not want to keep doing YouTube. I said, fuck YouTube. But I said, you know what? I let some years go by and I jumped back in. And it's been very, very rewarding talking to people, seeing that I'm actually getting there faster than I did the first time. Because the first time it took me way long to actually get my watch hours and my subscribers up. Now it's really only taking me a couple months. Like, I guarantee you I'll be at my watch time next month. I'll be at my watch time next month. All I gotta do is keep going at this pace. That I'm posting like every day. The only bad thing that I would say about YouTube shorts is that you can get a certain amount of YouTube short views, and then you can actually get the ability to get paid on the app. But it's like 12 million views or something, 4 million views or some outlandish ass number that you got to have on a YouTube short to just surpass or bypass the 1,000 subscriber limit and the watch time limit. I think, I don't know whichever one of those you'll actually be able to surpass, and then they'll give you access to being paid. But that number is really hard to reach, bro, with a short. Maybe it was easier to reach before at a certain time, but I haven't gotten nowhere near 1 million views, let alone like 4 or 12 million on a YouTube short. So just post cool shorts and post or do live streams about interesting topics that you can actually tune in. And don't give up if nobody comes into the room on your live stream. Don't give up. Just keep going through the video. Go through the video, because people will find it over time. People will find it, trust me. Always put good tags on your videos at the end and all that. Pick good tags when you go to edit, because the metadata is important too. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, that is my 2 tips on how to increase your growth on YouTube. We in this thing together. If you locked in, then we locked in. Ain't no switching up, you dig? So come to my next live stream. I don't know what I'll be talking about. We'll see what's trending, and you'll see it pop up, because I just do them randomly. So, yep, that's my TED Talk. You already know who the fuck it is. It's Hannah Smash, baby. All right, I'll see y'all out there.